Hi everybody, we're going to start looking at division this week and sharing objects. So first of all, there is a clip that I've put on the Sway document that I'd like you to watch, which goes through all about dividing and sharing. So Rosie and Amir are sharing some sweets. So what I want you to do is I want you to draw these sweets. There's 8 sweets, and then I want you to draw 2 people, and I want you to draw lines from the sweets to the people to share them equally. So pause the video and off you go. So what you should have done is drawn the sweets and then drawn a line. So I'd draw 1 to the girl, 1 to the boy, 1 to the girl, 1 to the boy, 1 to the girl, 1 to the boy, 1 to the girl, and 1 to the boy. So there are 8 sweets and each person has been given 4 sweets. Perfect. So we're going to write that like this. So I want you to write this sentence and I want you to fill in the missing number. So each child gets how many sweets? Using your picture to help you, I have just given you a clue as well. Then write 8 sweets shared equally between 2 is, and the number that you got. Off you go. So you should have written the number 4 there because each child got 4 sweets and 8 sweets shared between 2 is 4. Perfect. Okay, this time we're going to share some grapes between 5. So you need to draw 5 people. And then you need to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 grapes. So 5 people and 10 grapes, and then draw the lines to share them equally. Off you go. So then I would draw a line from each grape to a person, making sure each person got 1. And then I would start again, drawing the line to each person from the grape. So I know that each person managed to get 2 grapes. Well done if you managed to do that. Okay, so again, write the sentence with the missing number. Each child gets however many grapes. 10 grapes shared equally between 5 is, off you go. So each child gets 2 grapes and 10 grapes shared equally between 5 is 2. Well done for doing that. Okay, this time a little bit more trickier. Ron needs to share 20 bananas between 5 boxes. So how many bananas will there be in each box? So if 20 bananas are shared between 5 boxes, how many is that? If you need to draw the bananas and draw the boxes, so draw 5 boxes and draw bananas in them. Okay, so you might want to draw 5 boxes. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll do one at the top so I've got a bit more room. Whoop, that's a big box. 5, and then draw the bananas in them. So you'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then go again until you get 20. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, until you get to 20. I'm not going to go any more because otherwise I'll tell you the answer. So then however many are in each box is your answer. Off you go. So 20 bananas shared between 5 boxes is 4, and there will be 4 bananas in each box. Well done if you managed to do that. Next one then, 30 counters between 2 friends. And we looked at this the other day, didn't we, with sharing, with halving, okay? So how many counters does each friend get? If you're going to half 30, you're going to share it between 2 friends. Again, draw it if you need to. What's the answer going to be? The answer is 15. Well done if you worked that out. Okay, if we had to share 30 counters between 5 friends, how many counters would there be? So again, if you need to draw it between 5 friends, do that now. So each person would have 6 counters, wouldn't they? Because 30 shared into 5 is 6. And it's just like our times tables, isn't it? What do we times by? 5 to get to 30. So this time, what about if we shared it between 10 friends then? How many would each friend get? How many counters? Pause the video if you need to do it. So they would each get 3, wouldn't they? Because we know 3 times 10 equals 30. Well done if you managed to do that. Okay, your task now then, okay? You want to get some counters, some equipment that you've got at home, Lego, Duplo, dolls, cars, whatever you've got. And I want you to share these numbers in 2s, 5s and 10s. So share 10 into 2, 10 into 5 and 10 into 10. how many does each person get, and then do the same 15 with 2, 15 with 5, 15 with 10, and then the same with 20. Then can you pick your own number below 30 to see what you can share equally and what you can't, okay? Then don't forget to send your work over on Tapestry. Don't forget to draw pictures, do whatever you need, get equipment. It's entirely up to you what works best for you. Have lots of fun.